Welcome to the Woolybacks mountain biking club. The club's been going for about 27 years, so started in 1992, and we've got about 150 members. The membership's quite diverse. We've got old and young, from sort of 23 up to about 72, men and women, and we all meet up regularly for our ride.
Different abilities, different riding styles, but we all enjoy one thing, it's having a laugh. We do a lot of local rides in the St Helens area.
We have weekend rides all the time. We go all over the country really with our riding, and we also organise weekends away. We do foreign trips. We've been to Spain, the Alps, things like that.
If you want to join us, we recommend you do. Come and find out more about information about the club. Come and join us for a newbie ride on a Tuesday or Thursday, and you'll find our information on the Woolybacks.co.uk. Thank you.